Hi. Welcome to Pantech Solutions. Today we are going to see Internet of Things gas level monitoring system using FPGA. We have FPGA Xilinx Spartan 6 board, MQ6 gas sensors with Wi-Fi module. Let's start. Already we dumped the code into FPGA board. We connect the sensors and Wi-Fi module on the kit with the ADC converter circuit. Now we are going to test the gas sensors one by one, manually using a cleaning solution to increase the gas level. Here LCD displays the gas level as SNR1 and 2. These values are updates continuously to the ThinkSpeak cloud for analysis and monitoring purpose. Here we connected ThinkSpeak in our account with the API key. Now test the sensors with solution and get the results in LCD and ThinkSpeak cloud. Thank you. See you again. For more details about this video, visit our site www.pantechsolutions.net.